Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so guys, let's start with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This had actually been on uptrend for some days, but when it got to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend, I mean, from an uptrend into a downtrend at this point. And I drew this trend line in the morning, crossed it around here. So I dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and it has achieved the first TP. So we are hoping that it will achieve the second and the third TP. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, this actually gave us double bottom at this point, and of course, it went on buy trend and uptrend right from there. So it got to this region, had a major pullback, and may likely go back up to try out this resistance zone. So I still believe this is still buying, except if it's unable to break out from there. That is when it will continue. I mean, it will go on downtrend. Okay, buying for now, even though I don't expect it for to buy for a very long time. Okay, before it will switch. Okay, now the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This actually started an uptrend right from here, but still it got to this region. It has not been able to break out from here, so it crashed down right from there. Okay, so at the moment it is still selling. We don't know how far it will go. Okay, so but if it should break out above this resistance, it's going to buy more. If it does not and it breaks out below this support region, then it's going to sell more. Okay, we should take note of that. But for now, it is still selling. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999. This actually started a downtrend from here, okay? And we've been on this trade for a while. Just that the trade has been very, very slow, but it has given us a lot of profit. And we started this trade yesterday, and this is actually our entry point, and it's been selling since then, got to this region. But right now, it's trying to pull back up. Okay, it is buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out from here, then it will go back on downtrend and may likely get to our next TP. Okay, so this is still buying until it is yet to break out above that, until it is unable to break out above the resistance, and that is when it's going to sell. Now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. I also dropped this signal down there in the Telegram channel, okay, because this particular set actually got to this region, and of course switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. So I dropped the signal, the entry point, the first TP achieved successfully, almost achieved the second TP before pulling back, and right now it is heading towards the second TP. So once achieved, then definitely we're going to see if it will sell more right from there. But for now, this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully on whenever you are trading. Okay, and for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God